Will the RLAARLO AK-787 go faster when it's set to 100% throttle? Let's see. Hello you beautiful peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. We are here today because John made a boo-boo. He made a mistake, yes I know, I make lots of them, but here's just one more to add to the list. When we ran this brand new car on 2S, 3S and 4S batteries, we actually had the throttle set at 80%, which is really annoying for me because the one thing I always do straight away is turn it to 100%, but it was on 80%, so the speeds were lower. Now, I can't remember what we got on 2S, but on 3S we got 84 kilometers an hour. On 4S we got 104 kilometers an hour. So let's see if we can get faster. We'll start off with the 2S and then we'll do the 3S and the 4S. Let's get on. So as you can see, ladies and gents, we have 12 satellites. I'm going to read that just to prove what it's at. 0. So we're at track, start. We have the 2S battery, the original in here, 2S 3300 milliamp hours. I wonder what speed we shall get. I have turned the steering down a little bit to make it less sensitive at high speeds. Right! That's more than enough for the 2S. And ladies and gents, we have stop, read, 66 kilometers an hour on the 2S. Let's get the 3S. Okay, we have the 3S battery installed, so that's the 66 that was there. In fact, there we go. Start. You can see that we've got the Genzace 11.4 volt high voltage battery in situ. Thank you again, Genzace. So we got 84 the last time we ran that. I wonder if we'll get faster now. This place has suddenly got very busy. Very busy. So, we shall go to stop, read. It was 84, 91. So yes, that 20% extra top throttle does in fact help. Let's put the 4S in. Okay, as you can see, there's the 91 for the 3S. In here we have the 4S. That's from Ampao. Can't remember all these battery names. Hopefully we'll get more than 104 on this one. I will go back and go to track and start, and it's starting. That's a little bit faster. There'll be a lot of cars around, so I think I'm just going to wait just a few more seconds and make sure it's clear for the next run. I want to give this the best chance possible to get over the 104 on 100% throttle, because quite frankly it deserves it. Did anybody else notice that that got air then? Stop. Read. 113, so much more than the 104 that we got the last time. Absolutely fantastic. So ladies and gents, there we go. I can't remember what we got on the 2S. Yes, it was a long time ago. On the 3S we got 91, which is much better than the 84 we got before. And then on the 4S we got 113, which is much better than 104. So that explains some of the power loss that I was experiencing. It always pays to double check that it's on 100%, ladies and gentlemen. Who knew? Maybe the plonker with 75 RC cars should have known. Anyway, we'll move swiftly on. At least things have been rectified. If you don't own one of these beauties, I come back to the question, why not? It's absolutely brilliant. The price is fantastic at $299.99 for top of the range, or even the $199 for the metal version. So ladies and gents, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.